Welcome class 7. Today we will learn subtraction of decimal numbers. So the question here is subtract the first number from the second. So we always need to be careful with the question. Here it says we have to subtract the first number from the second, and here is the question. 7.8 needs to be subtracted from 13.09. So in most of the cases the students make mistake by writing 7.8 first and minus 13.09. This way if they write and make the mistake. So over here, since the second number is this one, so you have to subtract the first number 7.8 from 13.09. That means we need to write 13.09 first, then we will write 7.8 down there, and then we will subtract. So over here we will put 1 0 extra so that the number of decimal places of both the decimal numbers become same. So 0 is written after the decimal which has less number of decimal places. So 13.09 2 decimal places and 7.8 was 1 decimal place, and by putting 0 it becomes 2 decimal place. We will try to make the decimal places of both the decimal numbers same. So now we will subtract, and you all know the process of subtraction is very simple. We subtract by, if the numbers are if the subtracting number is greater than the number from which it has to be subtracted, then we borrow and thus we do the subtraction. So over here the answer is 5.29. So next example is we will subtract 0.875 from 4.5. Here I am not trying to teach you how to do the subtraction, but I am just helping you out with how we have to deal with decimal numbers with different decimal places. Okay, so 4.5 is written first because it's the second number. We have to subtract the first number from the second. So 4.5, and from 4.5 we will write 0.875. Also you need to remember that the decimal points are to be written vertically downwards. Okay, so that here the point is out here, and while subtracting another number's decimal point also should be just below the decimal number of this number. All right, decimal of this number, so that they don't have a decimal out here and the other number will have decimal somewhere else. So it should be just below each other. So 4.5 and 0.875. So here the decimal places is 3 and here it's 1. So in order to make the decimal places equal for both the decimal numbers, we will put zeros out here. Okay, so 4.500 and 0.875. Now we can easily subtract, and when you do the subtraction like normally you do, you will get the answer 3.625. Okay, so this way we have to do the subtraction, and remember that while subtracting a number from a second number, you have to write the second number first and then the first number. Okay, thank you.